Hi, this is Noan Mojumdar from Bangladesh. I am GoPro user. I am looking for a good smart mount. GoPro remote mount. Uh, then I found SP Gadget Smart Mount, but it costs 19.99 dollars. This is very expensive. But I live in Bangladesh, and here Amazon.com is not supported. But I can bring this product to Bangladesh by backpack.com. Here the price is 2,538 taka. It looks expensive also. Then I tried AliExpress.com and found Shoot branded GoPro remote holder mount. This is looks pretty cheap, only 6.60 USD. Then I ordered it and I got this product within 20 days in my home. This is Shoot GoPro remote holder. I bought it from AliExpress. Let me show you. Please follow the video. It is fully compatible with any selfie pole. This is my Sandmark action gear metal edition. It is GoPro. It is well known for GoPro selfie pole. It contains a remote holder clip, but it is little risky because if you, I'm showing you. It is little risky, and if I add this GoPro remote to this clip, then I need to pressure very, so sometimes it gets problem. That's why I am looking for solution, and finally I found Shoot remote mount. It is very easy to attach with any selfie pole. It is fully compatible. You see, they also offer various size. You can change here. You can change the size from here. Easily you can replace it. Very easy. So now setting it there. You can also change it by these two. Very easy. It attaches nicely. You see, now very tight. So just insert your GoPro remote here. Done. Okay, now you can easily use this remote. If you want to remove your remote, then just press here. That's it. You can also remove it. very easy. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.